Hello, San Marcos. This is your Mayor, Jane Hewson, coming to you again from City Hall. Today is April 2nd, and the reality is this deadly coronavirus is still in our community and is still infecting people. So I'm issuing a public health advisory effective at midnight today and extending until April 30th. With this new advisory, the city continues to try to strike a balance between protecting our citizens from the spread of COVID-19 and keeping the local economy running as best we can. We're basing our decisions on the benefit to the health of the public, using guidance from the White House and the Centers for Disease Control. I've named this public health advisory, Stay Home to Save Lives, because that's exactly what staying home will do. You may not get ill, but if you have touched a public surface, such as a gas pump handle or retail store handle, you're touching a surface that many other people have touched. We don't know how long that virus lives on various surfaces, but we know it can live for hours. Scientists are also finding that this virus may be more airborne than we initially thought. This means two important things. One, that 6 feet of distance is critical. And two, we're still learning about how this virus, including how it spreads, and now is the time to use serious caution to save lives. You may not get sick, but your parents, grandparents, or small children may. No age group is immune. As I stated in my last message, before you leave the house for anything, ask yourself, is this trip essential? If so, proceed, but keep your distance from others. And remember, do not touch your face. Upon your return home, wash your hands, clean your steering wheel, door handles, and everything you touched between the last potentially germy surface and the sink where you washed your hands. Staying at home is proven to work. In the communities where distancing is required, the number of cases levels off and then goes down. Where distancing is not required or encouraged, the number of cases continues to rise. When you think of the phrase social distancing, think instead of physical distancing, because that's really what it's all about. Staying a cough or sneeze away from anyone and everyone outside of your household family. We want people to stay socially connected. You can use a phone call, FaceTime, any conferencing software to stay connected with family who live outside your home. Please stay connected to your friends remotely. Start a concert in your apartment complex with everyone on their own balcony, all singing together. Or better yet, thank the medical community who are taking care of those who are ill. Record it and post it online. I'd like to say a huge thank you to many in our community. Thank you to the businesses who are closed or partially closed due to orders by the President, Governor, County Judge, and our Mayor. These were not easy decisions for us to make, but they're necessary decisions for the health of our community. I understand that some have transitioned into a different type of business for the interim, so if you have done that, please post it online for all to see and so we can support your efforts. We continue to appreciate our first responders who have always been there for us in times of crisis and disasters. We also thank our medical personnel who are on the very front lines of fighting this virus. They put their lives on the line every day. Doctors are staying at work for you, so please stay at home for them. And I thank those who are still working in retail, our essential services, so that we have the supplies we need, grocery stores, pharmacies, and others. Please, please think of them during these trying times. First, think of doing curbside or home delivery when possible. If you have to go to the store, choose one person from your household to do the shopping. Do not take your kids to the store if at all possible. And when you go to the store, get what you need, pay, and go home. Do not take people with you, and do not take time to socialize in the store because there are likely people standing outside waiting for you to leave to get into the store. Finally, I would like to thank our city personnel who are working day and night to provide critically essential services to our community in a safe, efficient, and reliable manner. You are all doing an incredible job during a very stressful time, and we are so grateful for you. There are many, many COVID-19 resources available to residents and business owners on the city's website at sanmarcostx.gov. So please visit that site often and watch our city Facebook pages for daily updates and fun activities for you and your family to enjoy at home. We will fight this stronger together, staying at least 6 feet apart, and keep washing your hands. This is how you can be a hero and help stop the spread of COVID-19.